Let me show you why I bought these booty bands. I actually bought them to go with this vibration plate so that I could do workouts while I'm on here, like kickouts, clams, step backs, all those things. But I just wanted to show you guys, this is the light one, and y'all, the burn. Like if you struggle with glute activation, you know what I'm talking about. This vibration plate makes my glutes activate in a way that like squats at the gym just never gets it done.
All right, guys, so now that you've seen what I use them for, and I use them off the vibration plate too, but I love using them with the vibration plate. Heroic, strong, medium, and light. Now, I've been using this one for several months, and one of the things I love about this is I will literally put it around my mid-thighs while I'm walking in and out, like up and down the house, because it just gives you resistance. And I've had, guys, I have had my share of resistance bands and booty bands and whatever, but you know the kinds that are like kind of plasticky feeling, and then you put them on and they slip. That doesn't move at all because it has this like rubber, see this? So it has like this rubber gripping right here, so it stays. And I've used these on my bare legs, never hurts. I've used it over my clothing, it doesn't move. These are washable. I've washed this one several times, like in the washer on cold, and then I'll just let it air dry. I love these because they are excellent for travel. Everybody's gonna get ready to travel for the holidays. You don't wanna stop working out. There is no shortage of videos on YouTube about how to use these bands. So they go from 14 pounds in resistance all the way up to 60 pounds with all the same length and width. They're about 14 inches this way, 3 inches this way. It's cool. It has like some poses that you could use to sort of get yourself started. Right here. This is cool. You could put that on the door wherever you exercise, and then a training routine. That's a nice little touch. They are a poly cotton latex mix, so if you have latex allergies, I would skip it. I don't know. There's nothing that I don't like about these. I mean, I have been using this one for several months, and I just feel like I've built my legs up to the point where I need to use this. So we're going to move up to this, but I just wanted to show it to you guys while I was taking it out of the box. I love the little training band. Let's see how small we can make them. And guys, look, then you can just put it in there and you can travel with that. I think that's so cool because I've used these you can use them for your arms, you know, push outs like this. You can loop one across your legs and then loop another one like under that and then use it to do like rows and whatnot. And come to think of it, you could even put, when you're washing it, you could just throw it in this bag and throw the bag in the washing machine. I hope you guys found that helpful. And guys, go ahead and get them now because we all know January is right around the corner and we're all gonna say that we're gonna get in great shape. So, and you know, have them on standby for when you're traveling and you just get a good workout in your hotel room. Guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.